Hey, hi friends. In today's video, we'll see what to do if anyone uses your video to create their videos and post it and gain views, right? So this can happen especially when you have created some videos which are trending a lot. What people do is basically copy paste your video and add some text on it, right? So this is my other channel, which is based on travel, and you can see this video, this short of over here, Doda Beta Pic, has 48,000 views, right? Now I will go to the channel studio of my video. You can see on the left, you can click on content detection. You can see all the matches which YouTube itself has highlighted. This is their AI tools, which all videos from other channels are using my content, and you can see the percent match. 10% of their video is being used from my existing videos, right? 100% of their videos. Now you can see this is the same video which I showed, which had again 48,000 views, right? Now, this tool is basically, this helps you to see which all videos of yours are being used by other channels, and you can request their removal, or so you can see that options. You can either archive, that means you can ignore it and you just archive it. You can request video removal. You can contact channel personally, or you can view the channel from over here, right? So see, you can see over here, I have already raised this video removal requests to the channels multiple times in the past. I don't archive. I just basically see if anything is basically using my video and trying to gain views. And you can also see the number of subscribers for that video. That is how are they using your video to gain views for their channel. So I will just click on request video removal, because this is 100% match for my video, right? And what you have to do is that basically you can just go, this basically creates a letter and a request. So I am the copyright owner, this, so it is essential that you are the original author. You are the one who has created the content, right? And you submit these details. You can send a 7-day notice or request removal now, and you can submit your name and close this. And once you click on submit, sorry, right? And once you click on submit, basically that channel gets a notice that you have to remove this video, and they can fight on their behalf if they are the one who has created that video. So this is the way you can raise a request, and you can basically track the request also. So you can see this is under review and in progress, right? Now you can see the update of this, and in this way you can ensure that your content is not being used by someone else to just recreate and gain views. If you have created content which is being reused in a different way, like you can see over here, there are 10% matches. If I have kept it the status as Creative Commons attribution, then they can just use my video and uh, give me attribution for that video. So you can reach out to the channel that if you are using my video, please give me attribution for that content, and let them use the video and keep it under Creative Commons. So that's how you can go about raising a request if your content is being detected for copyright matches. I hope this was useful. In case of any queries, do drop in the comments. If you're liking the content, do like the video and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends.